Welcome back to my morning pot analysis videos on Thursday 13th of December with me, Rich Pro-Market Analyst at Hantech Markets. Looking at Euro-Dollar, which has basically gone sideways for almost 3 weeks now. 12.65 was that reaction low, that higher low, arguably, from late November. 13 big figure, the old key low, coming back in as a basis of support this week. So it's basically ranging between there and 14 big figure, 1450 area, 1440, 1450, 1470 was that November high. So you're sort of struggling to really get traction. Momentum indicators increasingly sort of reflective of this benign environment, RSI settling around 50. Really little direction going through that RSI. MACD lines just drifting back towards neutral, stochastics doing nothing. So you're looking for a catalyst. Are we going to get one from the ECB today? Well, I think the market is fairly sort of settled in the fact that the ECB is obviously going to remove asset purchases, and how it sort of puts forward its communication following that move, I think is going to be interesting, but it's likely to not be all that hawkish at all. Given the fact that growth projections are likely to be reduced and inflation may be also reduced, although the euro is trading below where it was in September, at the time of September meeting, so by around sort of about 300 pips. So yeah, I mean, it could have a mixed impact on inflation, but certainly growth indicators are going to be disappointed. And that could start to pull the euro down again, but we'll wait to see what the ECB comes out with today, and hence why we're seeing basically euro flat today. Nothing really doing in terms of technical direction of the near term. You'd say that there is still a medium to longer term negative bias. I mean, you're trading underneath all these longer term moving averages in the forms of lower highs and lower lows, and sort of failing to really sort of generate momentum in the in a recovery. But let's see what the ECB comes out with, and it certainly looks as though the market is expecting the ECB to be fairly sort of dovish in its move today. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see if anything different to that happens. But with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.